And I'm going to take you through 2 tips to ensure that you always look your best on every live stream. How's it going, everyone? Today's gonna be a quick tutorial. Let's get right into it. So the very first thing that you're gonna wanna work on is lighting. So there's 3 different light sources that you can play with. The first one is free, and that's natural light. All you gotta do is face the window and ensure that you're not backlit. No one wants to be talking to a silhouette. Of course, with natural light, you are facing the sun, and you are held to how many hours of daylight there are in a specific day. So the very next best thing is a ring light. Ring lights come in many different sizes. You could have a small one that clips to the top of your laptop, or a mini one that kind of just sits on your desk. Or there are larger ones that light up an entire room, like the one I'm using right now. So this is what it is with a ring light, and this is without a ring light. I mean, if you're going for glow-in-the-dark mini put vibes, then by all means. The third option for lighting is a box light. It's very similar to a ring light, but it's a bit softer. So the spotlight is less focused on one single subject, and it kind of illuminates the entire room equally. You have much more even lighting, and you don't have to deal with shadows. All right, so the very next tip is framing. We recommend following the rule of thirds. So the rule of thirds is a very popular term in photography, and all it means is that you're splitting your frame into thirds horizontally and vertically. And this helps to ensure that you're in the middle, and especially if you're filming a YouTube video or you're going live, it ensures that there's enough space in your frame to apply lower thirds or text, and also gives you the option to zoom into certain parts of the video if you choose to do so. The other thing you're gonna wanna do is ensure that your camera is placed at eye level so that you're not talking up or down at your audience. This also ensures that there's no double chin action going on and that you're looking your best. All right, so those are 2 very quick tips. So if you've loved this video and you want more tips for streaming, please give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments what other tips has worked best for you. And of course, subscribe to the Stage 10 family, and make sure to click that notification bell so you are always the first to watch our videos. All right, we will see you guys next time. Bye. All you gotta do is face directly in front, face a window? Face a window directly? Face directly against.
Face against a window?
Face against a window? No.